welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Excel 3F benefit analysis. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with blackboards, Cengage MyITLab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today's assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment: Excel 3F benefit analysis. Here is a project description. In the following project, you will edit a worksheet that will be used to prepare a 5-year forecast, the costs associated with employee benefits. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: open Excel workbook, student Excel 3F benefit analysis downloaded with this project. In this question, you will have to download this Excel workbook from MyITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyITLab dashboard. Here is a file I have already downloaded. Now move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is: change the theme color to blue in the analysis sheet in cell A1. In cell A1, we'll go to the in this question you will have to change the theme, the page layout, and colors, theme colors to blue, and the analysis sheet cell A1. Type city of Orange Blossom Beach and then merge and center across the column A to F. Type this title, then merge the columns, merge the rows, sorry, A to F, merge and center. Then apply the cell style to merge cell. Apply the cell style. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is: in cell A2, type this city employee benefit analysis 2015 to 2020 and then merge and center the subtitle across column A to F. Apply the heading 1 cell style to the merged cell. And A2, copy this and paste it into the cell A2 and then merge and center the columns A to F. Merge and center this. Apply heading 1 style, this one. Question number 3 are completed. Question number 4 is: in the range B4 to F4, fill the year range with the values 2016 through 2020 in cell A5. Type average annual cost per employees, and in cell A6 type percent increase. In cell A5 you will have to type average annual cost per employee, and in cell A6 you will have to type percent increase. In A5, copy this text and average annual A5. Question number 5 is auto fit column A and then change the width of column B. Auto fit and change the width of column B to F211. In cell B5, enter 21842. In cell C5, enter this text. In cell D5, enter this number. And in cell E5, enter this number. And in cell F5, enter this number. Width to 11. In cell B5, you will have to enter this. B5, enter this. In cell C5, enter this. Copy and paste this number. In cell C5 and then D5 and then E5. Sorry, C5 is this cell and D5, enter this, and E5, copy this and then paste in this cell. In cell F5, enter this. Question number 5 are completed. Question number 6 is apply the currency 0 cell style to the value of B5 to F5. B5 to F5 currency. Apply this currency to 0 decimal places. Select this range and auto fit column widths as necessary. A5 to A6. Question number 6 are completed. Question number 7 is in cell C6 construct a formula to calculate the percent of increase in annual street maintenance cost from 2016 to 2017. Format the result with the percent style and then fill the formula through cell F6 to calculate the percent of increase in each year. Let me highlight this question. Equals to C5 minus B5 divided by this one. Apply the percent style. Question number 7 are completed. Question number 8 is in cell A8 type projected employee benefit cost and then use the format printer to copy the formatting from cell A2 to cell A8. In cell A10 type projected increase and then in cell A12 type year. In cell A8 type this and then use the format printer to copy this formatting. Use format printer, and in cell A10 type projected increase, and in cell A12 type year, A12 type year. Question number 8 are completed. Question number 9 is in cell A13 type projected cost and then in the range B12 to F12. Use the fill handle to enter a year 2022, 2024, 2020, 21. Apply the bold to the year. Copy the content of cell F5. Cell F5. Copy this content and paste them in cell. Then type 3% in cell B10. Question number 9 are completed. Question number 10 is to the range A10 to B10 apply bold and italic. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, please feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you A plus grades in all your assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, or a complete course. My WhatsApp chat link are available in the description. You can directly chat on my WhatsApp. Question number 10 are completed. We have now completed 10 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.